My name is Janet Auer. I work for Chevron in the corporate community engagement team, and I work with nonprofits in the Bay Area and California. Chevron chose to work with Project Lead the Way because they provide a rigorous, relevant engineering curriculum for students beginning in middle school through high school. Currently, we're supporting 5 schools in the Bay Area for their high school program. We're also supporting other schools throughout other parts of California. The reason we chose Project Lead the Way is their record of their curriculum and the rigorous hands-on nature of it. We know that students need hands-on, relevant, rigorous curriculum to be able to compete in the 21st century, to be able to apply it to real-world jobs and see what the future is going to be like for them in that type of career. First of all, we looked at the number of students impacted. We also looked at the geographic location. One of our primary focus areas is the Tri-Valley, so Dublin fit in nicely with our area of focus. We also looked at the sustainability of the future of the program and how they were going to enlist other funds. Chevron did not want to be the only one funding the program. We wanted to see what other district funds they could leverage, what other community funds they could leverage, and Dublin was able to provide us with information on how they would grow and make this program sustainable. The initial $35,000 that Chevron awarded to Dublin High will be used, first of all, to train teachers this summer. In order to become a certified teacher to teach Project Lead the Way, teachers have to go through their Teacher Institute. So a portion of the funds will be used to send the teachers to training. The balance of the funds will be used to purchase equipment specifically for the curriculum. Project Lead the Way's curriculum is free, but the items needed to implement it, such as site licenses and hands-on materials, can be costly. So the initial $35,000 was startup costs for them to get the items they need to begin implementation in the fall. Chevron's ongoing role with Project Lead the Way, California-wide, is to look at the initial schools that we are funding for 2010 and then assess them after the school year to see about expansion, adding classes. Also, we'll be providing volunteers and in-kind services to all of the schools, including Dublin High. What we hope is that we will have engineers that will be actively participating along with the students and teachers in Dublin, as well as all of the other Project Lead the Way schools, so that it's more relevant to the students, so they can see engineers, what they do, and can be exposed to what a career would look like.